Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into a solution that's been making waves in the world of bird control, the OFFO bird spikes with stainless steel base. If you're tired of dealing with pesky birds making a mess on your property, this might just be the best gutter spike solution you've been searching for. These bird spikes aren't just any ordinary deterrents. They're designed with both efficiency and humane treatment in mind. Crafted to mimic the structure of thorn plants, these stainless steel spikes effectively deter birds from landing without causing them harm. Plus, the bright surface serves as an added deterrent by reflecting sunlight, further encouraging birds to steer clear. Now, let's talk durability. Constructed with high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel, these spikes are built to last. Unlike plastic alternatives, these bird spikes can withstand the elements, from blistering sun to raging storms, without rusting or loosening. With a lifespan of up to 15 years, you can trust that these spikes will keep your property bird-free for years to come. What sets these bird spikes apart is their full-width coverage. Each spike measures 4 inches in length and 3 inches in width, ensuring comprehensive protection against unwanted avian visitors. Unlike other products on the market, OFFO bird spikes feature 6 needles in both horizontal and vertical directions, providing 360-degree coverage for your peace of mind. Whether it's your windowsills, rooftops, balconies, or any other area plagued by bird droppings, these spikes can be easily installed to keep your surroundings clean and bird-free. Plus, with a hassle-free installation process, you'll have these spikes up and running in no time. So, if you're ready to bid farewell to the constant battle against birds, the OFFO bird spikes with stainless steel base might just be your ultimate solution. Say goodbye to the mess and inconvenience caused by our feathered friends and hello to a bird-free environment with these top-notch gutter spikes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And, as always, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Thanks for watching.